Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. My name is Tim. It's a beautiful day in the Villages. It's a bright, sunny morning. I hope everybody has a great day. Here I am at the Atwood Villas. And it is the villager entry gate. May all your dreams come true. How cute is that? This is the site of the next video I want to do. I was going to bring you an update to the Villa Marbella neighborhood in the northern part of the Villages. But there's really nothing to bring you regarding those homes. There are still 5 homes available for sale at the Villa Marbella neighborhood, and they are not yet listed. I did contact a real estate agent this morning, and she told me they are not going to list those homes for sale today, which is Friday. She doesn't know when they're going to list those homes for sale. But I think the reason they're not listing those homes for sale is because of these Atwood Villa homes. That's why I'm here at the Atwood Villas. This neighborhood is located very near Brownwood Paddock Square. This is the neighborhood where the former lifestyle stay homes were. For those new to my channel, welcome. I do villages related content. And these Atwood Villa homes used to be lifestyle stay homes. These are the homes the villages would put potential customers in to stay for up to 7 days so they could familiarize themselves with the villages, get to know the community, look at homes, new homes in the area. So these Atwood Villas were recently listed for sale by the villages, and they all sold out within a day or two. But today is Friday. 3 of these homes came back on the market for sale. And as of 8 a.m. this morning, Friday, I did not see them listed on the village's website as being for sale, but I believe you will soon see them on the village's website for sale. These homes were listed and sold a week or two ago. And today, Friday, 3 of these homes came back on the market. And I will show you those 3 homes. And I think these are the reasons why the Villa Marbella homes have not been listed, at least those last 5. Leave in the comments below if you feel the same way. If they're holding those 5 Villa Marbella homes, because they have these homes listed, or at least 3 of these homes came back on the market. And the first home I want to talk about is this home right here, 2965 Torch Point Lane. This is an Arlington model courtyard villa. It is a block and stucco home. And this home came on the market today and soon will be listed on the website for sale. The name of this home is a Silver Palm. They named all of their lifestyle stay homes. This is a Silver Palm. It is a Arlington model. These homes are turnkey homes. They're furnished. All the furnishings go with them. You can notice that right above the seating area, they do have a steel roof. And the list price of this home is $518,318. Beautiful glass entry door. Let's see if we can see inside. Oh yes, you can. Fully furnished home. It looks like it has plank floor. This is a bedroom. And there's a bedroom on the other side. And there's plank floor in both bedrooms and the hallway. So if you're interested in one of these homes, you're going to need to work with a Villages real estate agent to submit an offer. There are 2 more homes in this neighborhood that will be listed for sale today. At least that's what the real estate agent told me. She also told me that they're listing the homes at the Christopher Villas. I did a video last week about the Christopher Villas. Those are lifestyle stay homes, or former lifestyle stay homes, located in the village of DeLuna. They're listing some of those homes for sale today as well. Those are wood-framed courtyard villa homes, former lifestyle stay homes. Look at this. What it says, welcome home, Lestev. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. So I think the 3 homes in the Atwood Villas and the homes they're going to list for sale today at the Christopher Villas, I think those are the reasons why the 5 homes in the Villa Marbella neighborhood are not being listed for sale today. There isn't 2 more homes going to be listed for sale. Let's take a walk over there and I'll show you those. Stay tuned, friends. Here I am on the corner of Farrell Avenue and Torch Point Lane. And this is the site of the next home that is soon to be listed for sale by the Villages. Please check your Villages website. The next home that will be listed here in the Atwood Bungalows is 3563 Farrell Avenue. This is a Charlotte model. You can see it has brick paver driveway. It's beautiful. These homes are fully turnkey homes. This Charlotte model will be listed for sale for $455,869. And the name of this home is Carner Blue, with a cute little butterfly. Look at that. I thought I'd take a peek to see if I can see in this home, and I cannot. These homes come fully furnished, fully turnkey. And I spoke with the real estate agent this morning, and the story of these 3 homes in the Atwood Villas, why they're on the market today, is these homes were all sold out at the end of November. They listed them and they sold them, these lifestyle stay homes. And 3 of them came back on the market today for some reason or another. Maybe the prospective buyers' financing fell through, or for some reason they came back on the market. And I am walking over to the next home, the 3rd home that will be listed for sale today. And I will show you that as well. Stay tuned. Here I am on the corner of Essex Court and Torch Point Lane. And this is the location of the 3rd and final home that is going to be listed for sale today here in the Atwood Bungalows. And the home that's going to be listed, the 3rd one, is right here, 3546 Essex Court. This is a Charlotte model, block and stucco courtyard villa. The list price will be $434,991. Amaryllis is the name of the home. I thought I'd peek in to see what it looks like. Beautiful glass entry door. You can see that. These homes come turnkey, fully furnished. There's a bed in that one. Looks like it has vinyl plank floors in there as well. So these homes have no bond. That's the other good news I wanted to report. These Atwood Villa homes, there is no bond. The infrastructure was in place. I know I did a video a few weeks ago about these Atwood bungalow homes, and one of my subscribers asked if there was a bond on these homes, and the answer is no. These homes come turnkey, no bond, and are in a prime location near Brownwood Paddock Square. And I do believe the reason they're not listing the 5 homes at the Villa Marbella is because they released these 3 homes in the Atwood bungalows, and they're releasing some homes at the Christopher Villas in the village of DeLuna. I don't know how many homes will be listed down there. I did a video of the Christopher Villas last week. Please check that video out. So there is your update Friday from the Villages, Florida, from the Atwood Bungalows neighborhood. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Have a great weekend, everyone. Take care.